We're here today at the Workshop Sorrel Museum in Ipswich, where science is being brought to life by World Science Festival Queensland.
We are taking science out of the lab, out of the classroom, and putting it in the hands of kids. There's giant trains, giant sea creatures, and what I love is it's a chance for kids to see what it's actually like to be a scientist. So many people here today, really exciting.
Favourite part was definitely the science show with the nitrogen and the big bangs.
I'm also an Ipswich local, so I think these sort of events in the Ipswich region is awesome.
Science is at the heart of everything that we do. It makes sense of the world, it allows us to design and innovate.
Being able to see wildlife up close like this, where you can actually feel comfortable asking those science-related questions, I think is one of the best things we can do for kids.
I loved all the exhibits because I just like touching things, looking around. It was really fun.
As a teacher, I guess one of the great things about coming out here is that the kids can actually have some hands-on experiences.
I enjoyed meeting the people who work in marine biology. It was pretty fun learning a bunch of stuff about how to save the environment.
Today we won the Minecraft STEM Punks competition.
And that was talking about sustainability and the environment and our ability of creative and cognitive thinking.
And we kept going like, no, that's a better idea. No, this is a better idea. And then we came up with a resolution.
I think it was a fantastic day, and I'm so proud to see these young children coming up with these solutions to these huge problems and just nailing it.